So I have a question on invite in biology under genetics. So this is a question in biology under genetics. The question reads: hemophilia is a sex-linked characteristics. It is due to a recessive allele X. As you can see, the question A is saying define a sex-linked characteristic. So first we need to understand first hemophilia. If I say this is it is an inherited disease where someone bleeds abnormal instead of normal due to lack of clotting factor 7 and 8. In fact, 8 and 9 factor. So this is a disease where someone bleeds abnormal bleeding. So now they're saying that define a sex-linked characteristic. So we say this is it. So this is the occurrence of non-sex gene on a sex chromosome. So the occurrence of a non-sex gene on a sex chromosome is what we call sex-linked characteristic. So if that's good to define sex-linked characteristic, so this is the occurrence of a non-sex gene on a sex chromosome. Then now we go to question B. A normal couple, talk about a normal couple, which means both the husband and wife, they were normal. Good. So a normal couple had hemophilic son, which means the husband and the wife, they were normal, but that the son who was hemophilic, which means they were carrier. It's either both parents were carrier or mother or father was a carrier. So now, since we're talking about the sex-linked and the issue of H is being mentioned, X and Y together, and so exists, it cannot be on your Y chromosome. It's always on X. So X can be X like this, but for female is X, which means XX can be cardiac like this, or sick like this altogether, or 100% normal. This for female. And then for male is either a sick or a normal like this, because this sex-linked characteristic, they cannot occur on the Y chromosome. Clear? Good. So now, we are saying that both parents were normal. So using the allele XH here for normal blood clotting, okay, and the allele X for hemophilia. Write genotypes for the father. So since both were normal, and we're going to use XY altogether, XY, which means we'll say for mother here, for father, if I father to be XY altogether, since the parent cannot be a carrier, so it means automatically the parent was normal, 100% normal, which means the parent was normal like this. Clear? Yes. The father. Then the mother for us to come up with one son who was hemophilic, which means the mother and the mother, if it was a normal, so it means that the mother was a carrier, so to be X, so a normal like this one, then a carrier, which means she was normal but she was a carrier together. So these are the genotypes for the parents. Then question 2, draw a genetic diagram to show how hemophilic son could have been born. So now I will demonstrate everything here. So I'll say the parent phenotype. So say normal father together, then carrier normal mother, but carry out together.
Yes.
Carry out means share the gene for hemophilia. Good. Then now, the parent or parent genotype, the date composition. So for father, we said it's what? It's X what? X normal and Y is. Then for mother, it is X is normal and X carrier. Is that it?
Yes.
Then now next part is the gametes. The gametes. Right? So the gametes should be now X, H, and Y. Then again here X, H, and X, H. So you can see these are gametes. These are the gametes. All together.
Yes.
Then from here now we can grow. We can cross. We call it fertilization now. Fertilization. So fertilization now, we do the fertilization. So now we cross. So this goes with this. So we have X, H, and X, H. This is a female or a daughter who is normal.
Yes.
And again this and this. This is X, H, X, H. A girl who is normal.
Yes.
Then this and this. X, H, and Y. A son who is normal. This and this. X, H, and X, what? Y. Which means a son. So this is a son who is now sick. All together because it's a son. So now we say the offspring genotype. This one. Then your offspring phenotype is appearance now. Phenotype. So this is the normal girl or daughter. Together.
Yes.
This is normal daughter. But carrier.
Yeah.
But carrier. Here. This is a boy. XY is a boy.
Yes.
XY is a boy. So normal. Stand together.
Yes.
This is now the hemophilic son. So it means it is true that we have a one son who is hemophilic. So this is how you're supposed to show it. Yeah? Okay. So this is another question on genetics, question number 2. So a man who had a normal vision, which means the man was normal, married a woman also with a normal vision. They both had a colorblind son. So the color blindness is sex-linked using alleles XB and XB, X capital B, with this dominant and also this recessive, predict the genotype of the man and his wife. Since both were normal, so it means for them to have a child, a son who was sick, it means the mother was a carrier. So it means we have the man was normal. A man is XY, don't forget,
Yes.
normal like this. A female is X. Now since female, for us to have a son who was sick, the females must be a carrier like this. So these are genotypes for the mother and the father.
Yes.
Then draw a genetic diagram to show how this was possible. So this is a 4 marks question. So I'll remove this part of top here so that I can be able to create space for the next question. Okay. So now again I'll start with the parent, phenotype, the appearance, which was man, normal, man, then normal, wife, but carrier, it was a carrier, she was a carrier name. Carrier. So, parent, genotype. So, man was normal, which is X, Y, H here. In fact, they said I should use B. Which means I made a mistake even on that one, on the previous question. See, they said I used B, so which means the father, the man was what? Was X, B, Y. Then the woman, wife was what? X, B, X capital B, then X might have been like this. So this is answer for, see they said I should use it, X, B, so which means this was for man, this was for wife. So which means here I'll put wife here, the man here is X, Y, capital B, which is normal. For wife, which is what? X, B, and X might have B, which is a carrier. Then now I'll say gamete. So gametes, I'll split them. I'll split this. So XB like this, and the Y here. And again, XB like this, and XB like this. Right? So now I'll do factorization, right? So this and this are X what? X what? X, B, X, B. It means again was normal. Again, this and this again have X, B, again X, B. Again was a carrier. And this, you start with X, which is the dominant head. X, B, Y, normal boy. Then this and this, X, B was sick, and then so this was sick. Hey? So it is true that a boy who was sick is the percentage is there. So I mean, so this is what we call the offspring. Offspring what? Genotype. Okay, then offspring. Phenotype. This was what? This was it. Normal girl. This is also normal girl, but carrier. Yes. This was it. Normal boy. This was what? Color blindness boy. Yes. So it's proven that a boy who was sick is able to, from the crossing, you can able to come up with a boy who is sick. Yes. So one of the causes of color blindness is mutation, different mutation. So mutation is the random or spontaneous change in the structure of genes, or number of chromosomes. So, mutation, a random or spontaneous change in the structure of a gene or a number of chromosomes. Then explain one causes of mutation. So this one is caused by radiation. Is that together? Yes. Good. So this, I know I've put 8 of answers. Now we say just one. So it's caused by radiation. Thank you very much.